Hello friends, welcome to the channel Law and Government Job Exams Cluster. Today in this video we are going to discuss about the previous cutoff for the post of CBI Assistant Public Prosecutor, which was notified by the UPSC through advertisement number 19/2016. That recruitment was held for 15 posts of Assistant Public Prosecutor of CBI, and the vacancies were notified by the UPSC, the same which is done in 2021, and after that a computer based recruitment test was held and followed by the interview, and the final selected candidates were given the appointment on the basis of that. So today we are going to discuss how many candidates appeared in the said post. For the 15 post, the actual number of candidates which appeared for the said post in the recruitment test is 3520. That is 3520. 3520 candidates only appeared in the said recruitment test for the 15 post of CBI APP wide notification advertisement number 19/2016. That means maybe there are 10,000 or 15,000 candidates who might have applied for the post, but actual number of candidates were 3,500 and 3,520 only. And out of 3,520 in the general category, how many candidates appeared? It is only 2,014. That is 2014. In the OBC only 940, SC 530, ST 036, that is 36 candidates only, and total makes to 3520. That means general 2014 candidates appeared in the recruitment test, OBC 940 candidates appeared in the recruitment test, scheduled caste only 530 candidates appeared in the recruitment test, and scheduled tribe only 36 candidates appeared in the recruitment test. How many vacancies were there? In the general category only 8 vacancies were there. In the OBC, that is 6 posts were notified. In those out of 15 posts, only 6 posts were reserved for OBC, 1 for SC, and there was no ST vacancies in that notification, thereby making a total of 15 posts. In out of 15 posts in this exam, only one OBC candidate has been recommended against the unreserved vacancy. Means one candidate who belongs to the other backward classes has qualified this exam on the unreserved panel criteria. So what was the criteria? We are going to discuss it. In the general category, the recruitment test was of 300 marks. As I have already told you in the earlier videos that the exam is going to be held for 300 marks. So out of 300 marks, the minimum level of suitability of marks for the general category, for the UR category was, out of 300, a person in the UR and general category who has scored 244 marks was the minimum was a person who is selected at a minimum. And interview, because as we know that the general and UR categories, the minimum suitability for interview out of 100 is 50 marks. So thereby making a total of the final, but this makes is only 294, whereas the final selection is made at 309.50. That means we can say that there is a difference of 56 plus 9, that is 64.5. That means a person in the UR general category might have scored 244 minimum, but in the interview he might have scored minimum 64.50. That is why the final selection in the UR general category at a minimum score in the general category was recruited at 309.520 total, and the highest marks in the general and UR category was 324.68. What was that? 324.68. Now we come to OBC category. In OBC, the minimum level of suitability marks in the recruitment test was 227.50. Means in the UR general category it is 244. In the OBC it was 227.50. And as we know, the interview is of 45 marks for OBC category. But the final selection again is increased up to 294.18. That means a OBC might have scored 224.50 in the interview in the written marks, but after calculating and including the interview marks of 45 minimum, a person, a OBC category person, a minimum score who has been selected for the uh, final recruitment was of 294.18, and the highest marks in OBC category was 326.68. Here we can note that in general the highest marks was 324.68, whereas in the OBC it was raised to 326.68. Means in the OBC category the marks were scored more than general by the OBC candidate. Now we comes to the SC. In SC, the minimum suitability for the written marks was 224 out of 300. An interview out of 100, it was only 40. Whereas the minimum suitability for the written plus interview was at 291.33. That means a person in the SC category has to score minimum 291.33 in order to qualify the set post. And the highest marks in the SC category was same as a minimum, because it was only one post, so only the person who have scored minimum or maximum was the same. So here we can see that total marks of written examination written is 300 marks. The marks of interview is 100, whereas the weightage of written marks and interview in the final result was 75-25. Whereas in this exam, till now the pattern followed by the UPSC is 50-50, but it can be notified as 75-25, which will be notified before a month or before 2 months of the exam, and that will be clearly notified and clarified by the UPSC that what would be the ratio between written examination and interview mark. So by this we can see that out of 3,520 people who have appeared for the set post, these are the minimum suitability marks for the final selection for the post of Assistant Public Prosecutor in CBI, which was notified by the UPSC through advertisement number 19/2016, that is exactly 5 years back. These vacancies were advertised exactly 5 years back, for which the minimum cutoff marks I have shared with you. Hence friends, and I am in the next video would be sharing with the minimum cutoff and cutoff marks for the post of PP, that is Public Prosecutor of the CBI. Here friends, we are ending this video. Before ending this video, I would request you to kindly subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon and like button, and also post your comment in the comments and queries in the comment section, and also kindly refer it to your friends and colleagues. Thank you very much.